Hello and welcome. So one new thing that I've actually observed, especially with the memory stores and long-term memory, is that now Microsoft has started giving a warning message, something like this, where it says memory is not available in this project region. So previously what used to happen was you were able to actually create your memory store, and then when you actually gave a prompt to the agent to actually make use of the memory store, then you actually saw the failure. But now there is a change, and now in the very beginning, it will tell you that the memory is not available in this project region. So what it means is, if you actually see, I am actually in East US, which means in this project region, the memory stores are not available. So it means I need to create a new Foundry resource, and this time I will actually create it in East US 2, right? Good. So if I go to the Foundry portal, same way I will have some agents inside this. If I actually go to build, I have got an agent. Now inside the agent, if I actually go to the memory, you'll see that I don't get any warnings, which means I can create a memory store. So I just say add, and I say create a memory store. So it will actually create or provision a new memory store and attach it to your agents. You can even say save. So now you would like to see how you can make use of the long-term memory. So I will say always use emojis in your reply. Right. So what I'm saying is, whenever you are actually going to reply to me, always make use of emojis, right? So any reply you give, so yeah, it said from now on, I'll include emojis in all my replies. And if you see, it's showing the memory search call and all. So the aim is we will now get, say, move out of this kind of session. Try to create a new session. The best way here is I can go back to the agent, I can click back, and a new session gets created, right? So this is where I want to show a clear distinction between the short-term memory and okay, so we'll actually go ahead and create a new session, because the aim is to show you folks the long-term memory. Now I will ask in a very simple form, why is the sky blue? And explain in, let's say, 20 lines, something like this, right? I'm just saying, why is the sky blue? Explain in 20 lines. The aim is I want to see whether it uses emojis or not, and it is making use of emojis, right? That is what our aim was. I created a new session, but here if you see, it's actually making use of the long-term memory, because if you see, it's actually making use of the memory store, right? Here you can see it clearly says memory search call, right? So and it's a clear say indication that it is actually making use of the emojis as well. I think with this you got a good understanding of long-term memory. Thanks for watching.